Hi guys, hello and namaste everyone. So guys, in this reel and following some reels ahead, we will be seeing guidance with respect to your health, general guidance. We will be seeing oracle messages, and this can come in any area of life because health always doesn't mean it means like eating, sleeping, drinking and all exercise. No, it also depends upon your thoughts, your processing and each and everything overall life. So let's start. Okay, so the first message for you is forgive and release. When we carry love and forgiveness, we are stronger. We can keep our lessons learned without holding on to past hurts. This is such a nice thing, guys, because if we hold on to grudges, if we hold on to these past hurts, as mentioned over here, this will create blockage in ourselves only. A lot of time we go through some health issues because of these blockages, because mentally we are not stable, emotionally we are not healed, or so and so. Guys, if you know about this cancer disease, this is actually a karmic disease. And why does this happen? Because someone who is not able to forgive and forget, so this is what happens, that to them this disease catches. So guys, that is why I'm just giving you an example, and that is why I'm saying you that I know it's not that easy to forgive, forget and all that thing, but with time you have to do that. Please try to learn the lesson that particular situation, that particular person or people or anything has given to you, and just move ahead. This will also stop from creating blockages in your life. This is what I would say. Today I'll remember three magical mantras. I radiate positive energy, I sparkle with self confidence, I shine with potential. Beautiful message, isn't it? So, do claim this energy. I'm keeping this message for a few more seconds, so you may note it down or take a screenshot of it. I radiate positive energy, I sparkle with self confidence, I shine with potential. Beautiful affirmation. Freeze it. I freeze what I no longer want. Beautiful again. So, guys, you can imagine this in your mind itself, that you're freezing those situations, those people, those energies, those stuffs that are no longer serving you, or that this is giving you nothing. You no longer need it. Literally freeze it in your mind. That is, don't think about it. Cut your cords, cut all the ties from it. So, next messages in next reel. Till then, thank you.